In 8th question it is given, refer to question 2, exercise 14.2. So here is that question 2, exercise 14.2. Then it is asking, what is the empirical probability that an engineer lives, first part, less than 7 kilometers from her place of work, second part, more than or equal to 7 kilometers from her place of work, third part, within half kilometers from her place of work. And in the second question, the distance in kilometers of 40 engineers from their residence to their place of work were found as follows. So these are the distances between their residence and workplace of the 40 engineers. And in the first part they are asking to find the probability that an engineer lives less than 7 kilometers from her place of work. So for the first part, required probability will be number of engineers who have distance from their residence to their workplace less than 7 and divided by total number of engineers, that is 40. So let's count how many engineers are there who have less than 7 kilometers of distance between residence and workplace. So 5, 3, 10 is greater than 7, 20, 25, 11, 13, 7 we do not have to take because it says less than 7, not less than or equal to. So it means we cannot take 7. Then we have 2, 7 we can't take, 9, 7, 8, 3, 5, then 3, then 2, then 6, and then 6. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It means 9 engineers are having the distance between their residence and workplace less than 7 kilometers. So it means 9 by total number of engineers, that is 40. So for the first part the required probability comes out to be 9 by 40. Let's do the second part now. In the second part it is asking more than or equal to 7 kilometers from her place of work. More than or equal to 7. So directly also we can do, because total engineers are 40 and 9 have less than 7 kilometers of distance between their workplace and residence. Then the remaining all will have the distance greater than or equal to 7. But if we want to count it, we can also count it. So 10, 20, 25, 11, 13, 7, 12, 7 we have to take here because it is more than or equal to 7. 31, 19, 10, 12, 17, 18, 11, 32, 17, 16, 7, 9, 7, 8, 12, 15, 8, 12, 14, 9, 15, 15, 7 and 12. So when we count this comes out to be 31. So it means the required probability becomes 31 by 40. That is the number of engineers who have the distance more than or equal to 7 divided by the total number of engineers, that is 40. So 31 by 40 is the required probability for the second part. Then in the third part they are asking within half kilometer from her place of work. That is, an engineer lives within half kilometers from her place of work. So if you see carefully in the data, the least distance between the workplace and the residence is 2. And there is no distance which is less than 2. It means half kilometer is not there. So the required probability will be required probability will be the number of engineers living who have their distance less than half kilometers between residence and workplace. So they are 0 engineers divided by total, that is 40, and that comes out to be 0 only. So it means the probability for the third part comes out to be 0.
To learn more about how Cuemath can help you crack school and board exams, explore Cuemath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.